Is your Vizio TV showing a black screen but you can still hear sound? Don't worry, this is a super common issue and you can fix it in minutes. Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Vibes. Let's get your screen back on fast. So here's what's happening. Your TV is working, but the picture isn't showing. This usually means a backlight issue, software glitch, or a loose signal connection. The good news is most of these are fixable at home. Step 1. Do a soft power reset. Unplug your Vizio TV from the wall, wait a full 60 seconds. Now, press and hold the power button on the TV itself for 15 seconds. Plug it back in and turn it on. This clears internal bugs that often cause a black screen. Step 2. Check the flashlight test. Turn on your TV and shine a flashlight closely on the screen. If you can faintly see images, your backlight is failing. This means the screen works but isn't lighting up. If that's the case, you may need a backlight repair or replacement, but keep going because sometimes it's still fixable. Step 3. Change the input source. Press the input or source button on your remote and switch between HDMI ports. Sometimes your TV gets stuck on a dead input, making the screen look black even though sound is playing. Step 4. Reset picture settings blindly. Press menu on your remote, navigate down and select picture. Then choose reset picture mode. Even if you can't see it, follow the usual button pattern. Sometimes brightness or backlight settings drop to 0, causing a black screen. Step 5. Perform a factory reset. Press menu, go to system, then reset in admin and select reset TV to factory settings. This will erase glitches or corrupted software causing display issues. Yes, you'll need to set up your TV again, but it often fixes the problem completely. Step 6. Check HDMI and external devices. Disconnect all external devices like streaming sticks, gaming consoles, or cable boxes. Then turn the TV on by itself. If the screen comes back, one of your devices or cables is the problem. Replace the HDMI cable or test devices one by one. Pro tip: if your TV screen flickers briefly before going black, it's almost always a backlight power issue. Lowering brightness temporarily can sometimes keep it working until you repair it. That's it. Quick and effective fixes to bring your Vizio TV back to life. If you try these steps and still have issues, drop a comment below. I reply within 1 hour to help you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more quick tech fixes. Stay smart, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.